Hi everyone. I wish we were teaching you in our classrooms again, but well, we can't do that. I will put a little lesson up here. We are going to learn a little bit of a different way to do some skip counting today. First of all, we'll go over the skip counting that we know how to do. So we know how to do tens. So we start with 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. We can all do that sort of skip counting by tens. We can also skip count by fives. We know how to do that. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. We can all do that. And we can all do our counting by twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, and we can go all the way to 100. But today we're going to learn some skip counting from different numbers. So when we're counting by 10, we call it skip counting off the decade. And that means we start at a different number. So we might start with the number 4. So if we're going to skip count by 10, starting with the number 4, we would have to start at 4 and then count another 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we come to the number 14. So we'll start with 4. And then we go to 14. Let's count another 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That comes to 24. Let's go another 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We come to 34. So can you see a pattern now? Now we can count. We can do our skip counting by 10. You'll see we can start at 4, 14, 24, 34. Our next one's going to be 44, then 54, 64, 74, 84, 94. Can you see the pattern there? Now let's start at a different number. We're going to start this time, we'll start at 7. And again, if we count by 10, we'll just check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, we come to 17. Our next one will be 27, 37, 47, 57, 67, 77, 87, 97. So if we skip count by 10, starting at 7, you can see there's a pattern. What do you think it will be if we start at 9? Yes, we will go 19, 29, 39, 49, 59, 69, 79, 89, 99. So that's called skip counting off the decade. Now let's try skip counting by fives, starting at a different number. Okay, let's start at the number 3. If we then try to count 5 ahead, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we'll come to 8. Let's try another 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 13. Let's try another 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you guessed it, 23. So can you see that there is a pattern when we count by fives from a different number? All the way down. So once you work out the pattern at the start when you're skip counting by fives, you can actually work out the pattern all the way down. So instead of us counting 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, now if we start at a different number, if we start at 3, we'll count 3, 8, 13, 18, 23, 28, 33, 38, 43, 48, 53, 58, and all the way down to 93, 98. So you can see that there's a pattern. Should we try it with another number? Let's try it with the number 4 or 5. Oh, we know 5. Let's go with 4. So 4, then we'll add another 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go to 9. And another 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go to 14. And then 19. And you can see 24, 29, 34, 39. It will have the same sort of pattern. So if you're skip counting by 5, you just have to work out the pattern for the first few numbers and you'll be able to repeat that pattern all the way down. Now let's have a look at our 2s, our skip counting by 2s. When we skip count by 2s, we say 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, and we can go all the way down to 100. There is only one other way to skip count by 2s, and that's to go not with our even numbers that we usually go with, which is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, but to go with our odd numbers. So let's try that. We'll start at 1 this time instead of starting at 2. 2. Add another 2. 1, 2. We'll go to 3. Add another 2 to 5. 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23. So when we skip count by 2s from a different number, then we end up with all odd numbers, don't we? So you can go all the way down to 100, and I could even go like that, because we now know that is the pattern that we see. And that would be skip counting by 2s when you start at number 1. Okay, now you have some worksheets to do and another little song at the end, I think. So you can switch this off now and go and try some work for yourself. Bye, everyone.